Are you in Ghana? Are you in South Africa? Are you in Dubai? Are you in United States of America? Are you in Canada? Or are you even in Nigeria? Come closer, girl. Come closer, boy. This video is for you. People all around the world are changing their finances, changing their lifestyle with just one skill. And I know you know the skill, but you have decided to ignore it. So I'm here to tell you right now that that skill is paying big time. The most interesting part of it is that you don't need to travel, you don't need expensive equipment. All you need is your smartphone. Happy Workers Day to you wherever you're watching me all around the world. To every hardworking person globally, I celebrate you all because we are the ones changing the world. And to my beautiful and wonderful subscribers, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your time. And thank you for growing my channel. And happy new month because we are in the month of May, still in the second quarter of 2026. So happy new month to each and every one of you. Now you will be wondering, what is that skill I'm talking about that you can use with your smartphone? You know, we're in the techie era and a lot of people are making money online. Somebody can be in South Africa, but the person is working for somebody in Australia and the person is being paid. That's why I said you don't need to travel. All you need is your smartphone. And if you're opportune to have a laptop, better. A lot of people are making money with their smartphone. I can tell you that because for sure I'm also making money with my smartphone. So what are you doing? Now you'll be wondering, what is that particular field I'm talking about? What is that skill? Is website designing and coding. And now this will sound very strange to you, like what is website designing, what is coding? A lot of us know what it is and what it means, but because of the words that coding, we feel, oh, coding is so hard. A lot of us are into our computers, we are into our smartphones, and we do these things on a daily basis without knowing that this thing is fetching money. And we don't even understand the word coding. We think it's one very huge task, but a lot of us are doing it without being paid. So I'm here to tell you that this is something that you can do and get paid. Now you'll be wondering, even if I know the skill, how do I get paid? There are apps that you can post your videos of when you're working and what you do. You tell them this is what I do, and in a short while, someone will contact you. It may take one day, weeks, months, but you'll be shocked that someone will contact you. Oh, I need you to design this website for me. I need you to do this for me. And all this falls in the techie, which is coding. I need you to do this, I need you to do that. Before you know, you are making smart cash. Not huge money anyway, but you'll be making passive income by doing some things for people on the internet. You can even be somebody's social media manager. That is all in the techie era. Just scrolling, playing with your phones, and doing some coding that you don't even understand that you're coding for people free of charge. You can do it as you can do it as your own personal side hustle. Now you can even print an e-card, online free e-card, and send to people. This is what I do. This is how I can assist you. And in no distance time, people will start chatting you up, calling you up. Please, can you do this for me? Can you do that for me? And that's your side hustle. You're making passive income. So don't sleep on this. All you need to do is to advertise yourself. Now you'll be wondering, oh, I'm in Tanzania. How do I do it? This is a global skill. It is not in a country alone. It's a global skill. That's why I said you can be in your country and you're being paid by someone else in another country to do a job. And by the time you do the job, it's still the same way that you got the job that you will do delivery online with your smartphone. So you don't need to travel, you don't need big equipment. All you need is that phone and a presentation to talk about what you do. So don't sleep on this. The big question is it actually possible to start from nothing and earn? Or is it something people just say online and it doesn't work? But let me tell you something. In my next video, a professional techy lady who is into website designing and coding and a lot of other things, she will be coming live to tell you a lot of things you need to know about these things. So watch out for that video. And you trust TT because I don't just come and tell you things without bringing a professional to explain to you. So watch out for that video because she will be here live to tell you the process, what to do and how to go about it. Now, she didn't just learn website designing and coding and she slept on her bed and said, okay, I'm a professional. No, she's using it to earn. That is the point I'm calling you to take advantage of. A skill you have, use it to make money. She's a living proof that your location does not limit your success at all. She's going to break down how you can start and also build your passion and momentum so you can be sustained when you start. So even if you have no experience, just start. If you have no connection, she's the connection. Start. No excuses this time. If you know you love the tech world and you're into tech things and you know how to maneuver, a lot of people are doing it free of charge without knowing. For their brothers, their sisters, they edit videos, they produce videos, they can transform your system for you, update your system without knowing that these things are fetching money to others. So embrace it. It's a side hustle. You can even build it as a career because this lady I'm telling you about, she has built it as a career. For me, I've also built it as a career because I'm in the Turkey era. So if you need my assistance, just holler at TT. That's on a lighter note anyway. Watch out for next video because it's going to be an inspiring, motivating and educative session. It's more than a conversation, it's a real opportunity. So don't sleep on it, grab it. Turn on the notification bell so that when the video pops up, you'll be the first to get it. Now, a quick one before I go. The techie world is for all of us. It's a large space. I have embraced it. It's working for me. I've not started using it as a side hustle. I'm using it as my career because coming on YouTube here to talk to you and do videos and edit videos and post videos is also in the techie world. Without the technology, you can't be seeing me on your laptops. You can't be seeing me on your smartphones. So we are all in the techie world. So I have embraced it. That's why I'm here telling you, if you have that skills that you're giving it out for free, you need to upgrade and start using it as a side hustle. Don't play with your skills. Skills are paying. It's the new oil money. So until I see you next week when the professional web designer and coder will be live, don't miss that video. Until I see you then, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, TT Atutala. Happy New Month.